Hi everyone, welcome back to Basic to Finance. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Exodus wallet account using your iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. In order to log into your Exodus wallet account, first thing to do is to make sure you have Exodus wallet application, of course. Once you have it, give it a tap and from the first interface of Exodus, if you don't have a wallet yet, you can click on Get Started and follow the on-screen prompts. If you already have a wallet and you'd like to import and log into it, tap on I already have a wallet option at the bottom of this page. Now, you'll need to enter your 12-word recovery backup phrases that you've previously backed up from Exodus. You can also scan a QR code from Exodus on another device by tapping on Scan QR code. In today's video, I'm going to choose the second option, that is to type the secret recovery phrase. Choose the second option and give it a tap. And now, type in your secret phrases that you previously backed up in order to restore your existing wallet. Simply type in the phrases in the correct order. Once you're done filling in the phrases in the first page, tap the next button at the bottom and continue typing in rest of the phrases. Tap next again after you are done filling in the information and fill the rest of the information on the last page. Finally, after you are done filling in all of the information, tap restore at the bottom. It'll ask you if you are sure you'd like to continue. Tap on continue and restart. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to log into your Exodus wallet account. That is how you can easily do it. All you need is your secret recovery phrases that you previously backed up and you'll be fine. That is how you can easily log into Exodus wallet using your iPhone. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.